Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we have solved Kerala PSC Agriculture Officer Exam Previous Year Question Paper Part 1. So watch till end to get a clear picture about the question pattern. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing free live classes for Kerala PSC exam and other competitive exams. So if you are looking for a government job, Unacademy is the best place for the preparation. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and log into the app and choose your required course to unlock free classes. Click on free live classes from the dashboard. After that, it will ask for a referral code. You can use Foodtech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Common propagation technique adapted for mango. Options: A. Air layering, B. Tongue grafting, C. Stone grafting, D. Cutting. Correct answer: C. Stone grafting. Question number 2. Best planting material for banana. Options: A. Pepper sucker, B. Sword sucker, C. Water sucker, D. Male bud. Correct answer: B. Sword sucker. Question number 3. Fruit crop with maximum share of production. Options: A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Mango, D. Citrus. Correct answer: B. Banana. Question number 4. Rootstock including dwarfness in citrus. Options: A. Cleopatra mandarin, B. Rough lemon, C. Swingle citronmelon, D. Trifoliate orange. Correct answer: D. Trifoliate orange. Question number 5. Popular white colored seedless grape. Options: A. Thompson seedless, B. Gulabi, C. Sharad seedless, D. Bangalore blue. Correct answer: A. Thompson seedless. Question number 6. Popular tender coconut variety. Options: A. West Coast tall, B. Chavakat orange dwarf, C. Chandrakalpa, D. Pratap. Correct answer: B. Chavakat orange dwarf. Question number 7. In triangular system of planting with a spacing of 7.6 meter, number of coconut palms accommodated in 1 hectare. Options: A. 280, B. 220, C. 198, D. 170. Correct answer: C. 198. Question number 8. Leading coffee exporting country in the world. Options: A. Vietnam, B. Brazil, C. India, D. China. Correct answer: B. Brazil. Question number 9. King of spice. Options: A. Cardamom, B. Saffron, C. Black pepper, D. Allspice. Correct answer: C. Black pepper. Question number 10. Leading turmeric production state in India. Options: A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Karnataka. Correct answer: A. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 11. Most important disease of solanaceous crop in Kerala. Options: A. Fusarium wilt, B. Mosaic, C. Fruit rot, D. Bacterial wilt. Correct answer: D. Bacterial wilt. Question number 12. Preeti is popular variety of. Options: A. Pumpkin, B. Bitter gourd, C. Snake gourd, D. Ash gourd. Correct answer: B. Bitter gourd. Question number 13. Yellow flushed seedless watermelon developed from Kerala Agricultural University. Options: A. Sugar baby, B. Arkamanic, C. Shonima, D. Swarna. Correct answer: D. Swarna. Question number 14. Dioecious cucurbit crop. Options: A. Cochineal, B. Bitter gourd, C. Pumpkin, D. Ash gourd. Correct answer: A. Cochineal. Question number 15. Richest source of vitamin A. Options: A. Cabbage, B. Bindi, C. Capsicum, D. Drumstick leaves. Correct answer: D. Drumstick leaves. Question number 16. Days taken for the germination of chili seed. Options: A. 2, B. 3, C. 12, D. 8. Correct answer: D. 8. Question number 17. Common propagule for gladiolus. Options: A. Comb, B. Sucker, C. Rhizome, D. Bulb. Correct answer A. Comb. Question number 18. Most ideal jasmine species suitable for cultivation in Kerala. Options A. Jasminium grandiflorum, B. J. Auriculatum, C. J. Sambac, D. J. Multiflorum. Correct answer C. J. Sambac. Question number 19. Monopodial orchid commonly grown in Kerala. Options A. Vanda, B. Dendrobium, C. Cattleya, D. Oncidium. Correct answer A. Vanda. Question number 20. Thornless rose rootstock developed from HHR Bangalore. Options A. Sukumari, B. Sharada, C. Nishkant, D. Mrinalini. Correct answer C. Nishkant. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. The series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian Constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam, one topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. All Kerala ranking for the test would be provided if you take up the test live. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. The test paper would be available in Malayalam only. Finale of Unacademy Kerala PSC Champions League test on complete syllabus for LDC prelims will be on 29th of November. Question number 21. Type of selection done from a gomplasm collected for the individual with extreme phenotype of a trait. Options A. Disruptive selection, B. Directional selection, C. Environmental selection, D. Stabilizing selection. Correct answer B. Directional selection. Question number 22. When velocity of fast neuron mutagen is reduced by hard water, then it is termed as. Options A. Thermal neutron, B. Elastic neutron, C. Hard neutron, D. Excited neutron. Correct answer A. Thermal neutron. Question number 23. D. Genome of Triticum aestivum is derived from which species? Options A. Triticum monococcum, B. Aglilops taoshi, C. Aglilops speltoides, D. Triticum turgidum. Correct answer B. Aglilops taoshi. Question number 24. Yellow colored seedless watermelon released from Kerala Agriculture University. Options A. Shweta, B. Shonima, C. Nilima, D. Swarna. Correct answer D. Swarna. Question number 25. If male sterility of a line in hybrid seed production is maintained by altering the temperature, it is known as. Options A. One-line breeding, B. Two-line breeding, C. Three-line breeding, D. Mutation breeding. Correct answer B. Two-line breeding. Question number 26. Hybrid rice. Options A. Matta Triveni, B. Jaya, C. Uma, D. CORH1. Correct answer D. CORH1. Question number 27. Average husk nut size required while selecting mother palm in coconut. Options A. 350 grams, B. 420 grams, C. 570 grams, D. 720 grams. Correct answer C. 570 grams. Question number 28. World's first GMS based hybrid in pigeon pea. Options A. GT101, B. ICPH8, C. CSH10, D. PHB11. Correct answer B. ICPH8. Question number 29. Sesamum variety released for summer rice fallow in sandy tract. Options A. Tilak, B. Soma, C. Surya, D. Kayangulam 1. Correct answer D. Kayangulam 1. Question number 30. Multiple hybrid of tapioca. Options A. Sri Visakham, B. Sri Jaya, C. Sri Sahya, D. Sri Rega. Correct answer C. Sri Sahya. Question number 31. National Seed Corporation NSC was established during the year? Options A 1966, B 1973, C 1963, D 2004. Correct answer C 1963. Question number 32. Breeder seeds are produced from options A nucleus seeds, B certified seeds, C foundation seeds, D registered seeds. Correct answer A nucleus seeds. Question number 33. Genetic purity of a seed means options A absence of inert matter, B absence of weed seed, C absence of other variety seeds, D absence of defective seeds. Correct answer C absence of other variety seeds. Question number 34. Maximum amount of wheat seed permitted in a rice seed for getting certified. Options A 0 seeds per kg, B 20 seeds per kg, C 5 seeds per kg, D 15 seeds per kg. Correct answer B 20 seeds per kg. Question number 35. Isolation distance for speed production in sorghum. Options A 3 meter, B 1000 meter, C 200 meter, D 1500 meter. Correct answer C 200 meter. Question number 36. Unique feature of PPVFR Act 2001 not provided in UPOV Act 1991. Options A registration of extant variety, B commercial use of all material of the protected variety, C provision for farmers' privilege, D protection of varieties of nationally recognized plant species. Correct answer A registration of extant variety. Question number 37. Under UPOV 1991 Act, the criteria that a plant variety need not satisfy for protection. Options A novelty, B distinctiveness, C uniformity, D suitability. Correct answer D suitability. Question number 38. The first product in India to back geographical indication. Options A Malabar pepper, B Alapi turmeric, C Darjeeling tea, D Palakkad Matta. Correct answer C Darjeeling tea. Question number 39. In India Biodiversity Act was enacted during the year. Options A 2000, B 1998, C 2015, D 2002. Correct answer D 2002. Question number 40. Trade related intellectual property right TRIP is agreement forms a part of which round of GAAP? Options A Paris, B Uruguay, C Geneva, D Kolkata. Correct answer B Uruguay. Question number 41. Vector of yellow vein mosaic disease in Bindi. Options A whiteflies, B aphids, C mites, D thrips. Correct answer A whiteflies. Question number 42. The fungal bioagent used for the management of coconut rhinoceros beetle. Options A Bovinia bassiana, B Metahizium anisolpleae, C Lecanicilium lecani, D Orestes rhinoceros. Correct answer B Metahizium anisolpleae. Question number 43. Yellow sticky trap is used for the management of options A moths and butterflies, B small beetles and bugs, C crickets and grasshoppers, D aphids and whiteflies. Correct answer D aphids and whiteflies. Question number 44. Common predators of aphid colonies. Options A cochineal beetles, B parrots, C squirrels, D merit bugs. Correct answer A cochineal beetles. Question number 45. The pest that can be controlled using Bt brinjal. Options A brinjal lacewing, B brinjal mealybug, C brinjal fruit and shoot borer, D brinjal scales. Correct answer C brinjal fruit and shoot borer. Question number 46. Scientific name of little bee is options A Apis cinerea, B Apis mellifera, C Apis flora, D Tetragonula iridipenis. Correct answer C Apis flora. Question number 47. A viral disease that affects sericulture is options A Graciare, B pebrine, C muscardine, D influenza. Correct answer A Graciare. Question number 48. The insect vector of dengue fever is options A Aedes aegypti, B. Anopheles species, C. Culex species, D. All the three. Correct answer A. Aedes aegypti. Question number 49. Carbofuran 3G is now temporarily substituted by options A. Carbosulfan 6, B. 4810G, C. Fipronil 0.3G, D. Malathion. Correct answer A. Carbosulfan 6. Question number 50. The recent ban of red labeled insecticide was imposed in Kerala in options A. 2015, B. 2012, C. 2013, D. 2011. Correct answer D. 2011. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy is providing free special class marathon for 10th level prelims on 28th, 29th and 30th of November, which include more than 100-hour duration with more than 20 top class educators. So don't forget to attend the classes. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock these free classes. Also don't forget to attend the Unacademy T20 test series for LDC prelims and Kerala PSC Champions League tests. Before all that, download the Unacademy Learning app now. Link is in the description. So let's crack it.